Hey guys, John here. Quick little video, since I haven't done one in a while. This is a mystery box actually. I got this from a friend of mine. He only told me what he was sending me some. I don't know what it is. So we're gonna see together. Interesting. I don't know if that's part of it or not. Pause and read that if you'd like. Which I'm actually really interested in knowing what color this is. Actually, that's what I'm most curious of. Everyone's supposed to take showers in the house right now, it seems. You can hear the turn on, maybe. Okay. This, I'm glad he sent me this. Okay, I know what this is about now. It's been a hot minute since he since the beginning of this thing. I remember when he got all these, and I mentioned how I do not actually have whatever you'd call this, gray, or I don't know if it wasn't space black yet, I don't think, or space gray yet. I don't know what they called it. Slate. They called it slate, I believe. Let me grab one of my other phones. Alright, so grab my stack. Some for my stack. So this is the space gray 5S, I believe. I thought they always had 5S on the back. I guess they don't. But this is a 5S because the light flash. And this is the 5. So you can see the color difference. It's a lot. My lighting's not the best, but this almost looks like a silver, but it's not. The silver is, I'll get all the colors out, is here. So there's obviously 3 different colors here. Silver, space gray, slate. I did have a slate it looked like, but definitely not in as good of a condition. This is way better condition, plus no screen. So I'm gonna see if it works. It's gonna take a while to charge, I would imagine. I don't think there's anything on it. Oh, no, Apple logo. Let's see if something pops up. I don't know if I have any more 5s and 5S. I do have another SE. I have a space gray SE, I think. I don't think it's a pink or a rose gold one. I can't remember though. It's done at least iOS 7, looks like. I guess we gotta wait till it does its thing. Might take a while. It might need a charge. I don't know. I have a charger here. Oh, it's good. Okay. iOS 10.3. Okay. Cool. I don't know if you can tell in the video. It's doing this like yellow thing around the outside. The SE I bought also does. It doesn't affect anything at all. It's just I don't know what the reasoning is. You can only tell on like right here. It's fine. You can only tell on white backgrounds. But yeah, that's what it is. That's really it for the video. I just wanted to open this mystery package. I figured it was something related to an iPhone, but it was not 100%. But being that size of a box, had to have been, and it is. So cool. That's another one that can go in the collection. Finally, I haven't gotten a new one in a while, actually. I am only missing a gold one, I believe, and then I would have all 5 of the colors from this series, I guess you can call it, body style. I don't have a gold one. I finally got a working slate though, so that's very cool. And then this one I'll probably keep on top because they all look cool together, but at least it's that parts phone. I got so many parts phones, or at least chassis. I think I have quite a few chassis of these, I'm pretty sure. Actually really curious. I have a couple more. This one's pretty much strictly just the chassis. Space gray, and another space gray 5S. So majority of mine are 5S's, I guess you could say. So this can probably go with this one. They're about the same. Don't know what's up with either of them, if they're iCloud locked, if they just need screens. If they just need screens, I'll get screens for them, or at least usually I just find parts, do it that way. So all the silvers are, no, 2 silvers or 5. So we got three and three, and then an SE, and I got another SE too. So not SE2, but an SE as well. Silver, space gray, can't remember. But that one I still kind of halfway use. So yeah, I'm getting there. If I can get this collection, because this is by far my favorite body style iPhone, it would be very cool to have all of them. I like this body style so much that I'm filming this with an iPhone 13 mini. And instead of upgrading to a 14 from a 12 Pro, I call it laterally, I guess, went from a 12 Pro to this 13 mini. It's a very odd choice, but may end up getting a video on this because I am pretty in love with this phone. And wish they had a 14 version, but that's how it is, I guess. Anyways, it's enough rambling. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a good one.